We're going on vacation! I will now show you how to pack and prepare for family travel to make it as easy and stress-free as possible. Most airlines nowadays don't include luggage in the ticket price, which means that you have to travel lighter. So I'm going to pack all 5 of us into one suitcase. Yeah, you can pay more for luggage, but it's also just convenient to travel with less stuff. That's why we really try to pack as light as possible, and also in our carry-ons. Even though they might be included, we try to only have 1 or 2 carry-ons when we go through security. We do this because when we have 3 kids with us, they could be going in each direction and we need to have our hands free, and also we don't want to be carrying and lugging around all that stuff. We're going to the UK for a week on this trip, and we'll probably be able to do laundry at the people's house that we're staying at. However, most hotels have laundry service as well. And if you're doing Airbnb or something like that, there are a lot of those listings that also have washing machines. So don't be afraid of packing a little bit less and then just doing laundry on your trip. When I start packing for my family's trips, I make a list of all the different items that they'll need on this vacation, and then I give a page for each family member where I write out pants, socks, underwear, all the things that they'll need. And then when I go gather it up, I'll tally it up, however many pants or undershirts that they'll have. This way I know I won't forget anything, and I know they'll have all the outfits that they'll need. The first thing I do when it comes to packing a suitcase is to get out all the stuff I want to bring and put them on the floor in different piles. Then when I know I have everything, then I put it into the suitcase. Okay, 2 kits done. Okay, I finished getting out all the clothes that we're gonna need. We have about 3 outfits each, and then the outfit we're traveling in. Lucas has a few more because he's a baby and he needs it. But this should be about enough to cover us for the week. So now I'm gonna roll it up and put it into a suitcase, and I'm done with that. I'll get out all the other things like toiletries and books and different things that we need to bring as well. So, that's the baby's clothes. Now on to Emia's clothes and then Marcus's clothes, so that I know exactly where to find it when I need it. So I rolled up the pajamas together, the top and the bottom, so we're not struggling to find the top when their kids are ready to go to sleep and we only have the bottom. So this way it's ready when we need it. I've done the same with outfits previously. I'm not doing it in this suitcase because this trip we're going to be mixing and matching our outfits, so this way we are not like set on a certain top going with a certain pair of pants. But I'm still doing it like Lucas, Emilia, Marcus, and since we're not bringing that many pairs of clothes, then it's not going to be that hard to find what we need. Salty licorice candy, you can't get these in England, so we're bringing them over. We're done! There's still a lot of space left here and there, but we are going to do a bit of shopping as well, so it's nice to have some space for that. We need to put our toiletries in here and a couple of chargers, but we'll do that tomorrow since we're not leaving for another day. That's about it. This is all we need for 5 people for 1 week. See you at the airport.
Okay, 5 hours till we fly out. So we've emptied out the fridge, we've just had lunch, we're gonna clean this up in a little bit, wipe off the counters, just do a last sweep of the house. I know this doesn't really have to do with making travel with kids easier, but it does make it really nice when you come home after a week of traveling. So that's something that you have to think of before you leave. And obviously it goes hand in hand with, the whole preparation. Make sure you pack in time so you have time to actually do this before you leave. So we're gonna do that, and then we're off to pick up the kids and off to the airport. See ya.
Okay, we're almost at the airport. This is what we have: a backpack and a diaper bag. And that's all we're bringing.
Yeah.
Excited, Binna?
I'm I'm very excited. Very happy that we only have the electronics and like onboard entertainment stuff
in here. And here we have a diaper bag with everything for the baby, obviously. So of course, is there an airport?
Yeah. That's not an airport.
That's not the airport.
But almost.
But almost. And of course we have
Yes.
of course we have the suitcase in the back as well. The one suitcase for everyone here, a family of 5.
20 kilos.
Which
Happy
is something else in pounds.
Yep.
Yep. Bye.
So we made it through security and that went really well.
It did, and it went well because we prepared. All the liquids were in a zipper bag right here in the outer pocket of my diaper bag, and all the electronics
In here.
in the backpack in one compartment.
Just in and out. Yeah, what else? I left my belt. I checked that.
Yeah, that was in the
So-
suitcase, so no belt to be
I
taken
don't
off.
know if that was worth it, but you know, it made it as easy as possible. And what does that mean? It means that we spend less time and energy on trying to keep a tab on all of our belongings, and we have more time to focus on making it an enjoyable experience for our kids.
And for us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, off to England.